got here is a canvas that I've covered with Hessian. I've stapled it to the back and I've given it a coat of white gesso. It was a pretty rough coat, should I say. I'll see if I can find a photo to show you. I did take one before. I did a pour on it last night and it didn't work out, so I wanted it to dry out before I used it again, because I had done a previous pour on another one and I just sort of mopped the paint off and then poured again, but it was very, very runny. There was residue underneath the Hessian, obviously, so I think you'd probably be better to glue the Hessian on and then staple it to the sides. Next time that's what I'll do, but I'm going to try it again anyway. It's all dried out now, so I'm happy to have a go. The one that I did last night, I picked some odd colours and it all muddied up, so you can really tell from mud what was happening. So I ditched that one, scraped it all off, washed it down, and I've left it to dry. So what I've got here, I've got a few pearl colours. I've got untinted titanium, or unbleached titanium, and titanium white in this one here. These are pearl colours. I've got yellow oxide in this one here. Show you the consistency, if you can see that. This one is gold and silver mixed together. You probably won't be able to see that. This one here is blue violet, silver, and I ended up wanting to lighten it up. I put a bit much of the blue violet in it. I wanted to lighten it up a bit, so I put some of my white pearl mix in it, just to lighten it up a little bit. You might be able to see that one a wee bit better. It's pretty thin. I've noticed that you actually need a lot of paint, and this is the blue violet. So they're my pearl colours. Over here I had Payne's Grey and Naples Yellow Hue, and I've got the Lumiere Metallic Silver, but I don't think I'm going to use that. I used it last night and it didn't really fit well with the colours, but I've got it there just in case I want to use it. So I'll get ready and we'll come back. Right, what I'm going to do is put the colours on. I'll put the pearl colours on first. I'll blow it out with the hairdryer, and then I'll put the pour over colours on. That way I've got a little bit more control over where my colours are going. So we'll start with the dark blue on this edge here. We've got the paler blue. We're going to have a little bit of this. And we'll put some white down the centre, probably around the edges. Right. I used my other blow dryer last night too, and it was too big. I just got lazy and I couldn't be bothered plugging it in, like changing them over in the plug. So we'll blow that out now. I'm going to come to a stop there, so I'll add some more. Right, it blew out quite well. That's probably because it's got a layer of paint dried out underneath it and it's gone nice and firm. So this might not be a true representation really of what it's going to do. But I'm going to put the dark on this side and I'm going to put the light on that side. So yeah, we need a lot of this. I know from last night. Takes a fair bit to tip it out. Alright, let's do it. Turn it around so you can see what I'm doing. Over that corner. Bring it back down. Get all those edges covered. To the middle. Down over that corner. Down over that last edge in this corner. back. See if we get some pearls. Now we're back with the dry results here. I'm pretty close up with my camera here to show you the texture. And it looks pretty bad close up here, but when you're looking at it from a distance, it's got a totally different look to it. It's kind of got a softness to it. And it reminds me a little bit of the work that I see some of my friends who work with oils do. And you can see their brush strokes when you look at it close up, but when you stand back, it looks totally different. Theirs really pop. This tends to me, it's got a soft feel to it, and I don't really know how to describe it, but I love it, and I'm experimenting a lot, so I will share those results with you. I've also been using other textures as well, so if you're interested in watching that, please subscribe and push that notification bell, and you'll be notified next time I post a video. I'd be really interested to hear what you're thinking, so please let me know in the comments. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you again next time. Bye for now.